Hey guys, this is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to my latest Binbot Pro video on December of 2020. This video is actually to share with you guys what is my latest progress with the Binbot Pro trading software, and also my recent unfortunate event using the Binbot Pro trading software that cost me about $40,000 in my trading account, which I will share with you guys in a bit. So you can see in my trade history, I've been trading very safely using the Binbot Pro trading software using the same beta method v3, which I share with you guys if you guys register and fund an account using my referral link. So this is the exact same settings that I've been using for the past 1 year or so. So as you can see, the results are fairly consistent and I trade very safely. So in my opinion, the safest way to use it is to trade only when it is ideal. On the 1st of December, I had a 5 losing streak. So this is the unfortunate event that happened to me. Honestly, the timing is actually one of the worst timing because I was trading with a 97,000 on my trading account on the 1st of December and I had a 5 losing streak. So because my intentions were to withdraw at the $100,000 mark, and that actually happens. If you might ask, like, does this 5 losing streak actually happen? So honestly, we can't really tell when it will happen, but for sure at some point of your trading career, if you were to trade for a very long time, it will happen at some point, which is why it is very important to always trade safely. And especially if you're using Binbot Pro trading software and trading binary options, it is better to spread your trades quite evenly so you do not get overexposed on a very bad trading days, which is something like the first week of December, which was very horrendous. I actually test trading on my smaller Binbot Pro account on that particular week, along with a new settings that I was actually trying to work on. So, but the conclusion is that the new settings could not outperform the beta method v3 after the first week of December. So it was only a temporary thing, so I will not be sharing with you guys if you are in my subscribers list. Alright, so if you guys are new to my YouTube channels and if you are interested in using Binbot Pro, so you guys have to treat Binbot Pro just like any other trading strategy. So as traders, we can't simply use it blindly or turn on the software randomly at any point of time during the day. So in order to actually achieve success in the long term in trading, we only need to gain an advantage by avoiding the strategy's weakness. So in the case of Binbot Pro trading software, one of the major weakness is the top 10 trading robot, whereby we can't really pinpoint when exactly to use the top 10 trading robot. So if you actually sign up for Binbot Pro and you use the top 10 trading robot, you might actually get lucky for like the first few days, or you might just get straight up unlucky. Anyway, it is a lot harder to be consistent using the top 10 trading robot because we have no control over which currency pair is going to trade, and also we are not really sure when is the highest probability where we can turn on the robot for a trade for the highest chance of success. So this is a lot different than the own settings that I use, which is currently the beta method v3. I use beta settings and beta 2 settings, which I tested over 100 of trades using the smaller Binbot Pro account. So once I actually affirmed these settings and also how to actually use these settings, I actually use it on my main account, which has a larger amount of money, and that way in the long run I will have higher chances of success in compounding my winnings on a large account, therefore had a huge increase in my trading account over the long term. My previous video where I implement Heiken Ashi charts instead of using the normal candlestick charts, that is actually an additional step to filter out bad situations within the Pine script codes. So basically I will actually demonstrate a trade on how I use the Binbot Pro trading software if you guys have not seen it before. So I'll be trading with my current balance 91,000. So hopefully I can actually get it closer to 100,000 in this video, as I will be recording some demonstration still using the same beta method v3. It is just that I got an unlucky streak during the first week of December. I guess it is unavoidable. So thankfully I managed to bring up my balance back up to 91,000 during the rest of December. I spread my trades quite far apart to make sure that I do not get caught up in bad situations. So to summarize how I trade Binbot Pro using the beta method v3 is to trade only when it is favorable, and I usually trade 0 to 3 trades per day maximum, and always aim for long-term consistency, because based on my experience, most people actually blow up their account on a single day due to a bad market situation, and they tend to overtrade and hence overexpose their trading account on a unfavorable market situation. So do stay tuned, because I'm actually waiting for a trade opportunity right now. So if I can record 1 or 2 trades within this video update for you guys, hold on. Right, there is actually an alarm in my trading view, so let me open up my charts right here. So it seems like I have an alert for Euro JPY. So this is the Euro JPY. This is Japanese candlestick though. Let me change it to Heiken Ashi. So as you can see, the Heiken Ashi charts for Euro JPY has a bomb alert right here, and we can see the MACD line is angling upwards. So in the case of MACD angling upwards, I'll use beta settings, and let me stand by beta settings and select the Euro JPY and click save. Right, so basically what I do is I'll wait for the 50th seconds of every minute. So in this case it's 14:44 50 seconds. It's just 5 more seconds, and if at 14:44 50 seconds the bomb icon is still there, I will turn on the robot right now. So okay, so it seems like we have a trade for Euro JPY. It's a put trade at 14:45 26 seconds. So let's wait for the trade to close. It will be around 7 minutes later. So you can see the balance decrease due to the trade, and always turn off the robot after one trade. Okay, so let me put a downward arrow. So it seems that at 14:44, sorry, it's at 14:45. Yep, so this is the downward arrow. It seems like the price is pushing downwards, so in about another 3 to 4 minutes the trade will expire, and we will see how the trade goes. It seems like we're back. So it seems like we've won this put trade at 14:45 26 seconds, and you can see, and right now my balance is back at 97,000. So this is really awesome. So all I need is just one more trade to hit my 100,000 goal. So hopefully today would be the day where I will hit my goals. So you can see the price is clearly shoot downwards, so it's another good trade executed by the Binbot Pro trading software. Alright guys, so I'm just one step closer towards my $100,000 goals. So I'll be waiting for maybe one more alert from the PineScript codes that I've set in my trading view. So quite excited to give it another attempt to actually reach my $100,000. So in fact, I've actually reached this point several times in December. So if you guys want to look at my trade history, so my previous try was also at 97,000, and after that I had my 5 losing streak, and the other attempt was around here at 94,000, and I had a 2 loss streak, and I had one more at 95,000 where I lost a trade. So this like around several times in December. So this actually is the name of the game. Hold on, there's an alert for Euro USD. So let me put up the Euro USD chart right here on the Heiken Ashi chart. So you can see the MACD is actually clearly angling downwards. So I'll be preparing beta 2 settings. Let me change the Euro USD in the beta 2 settings. So it's 14:55 35 seconds. So I will turn on the robot if at 14:55 50 seconds the bomb icon is still there, and most likely it's still going to be there based on the size of this candlestick. So alright, right now it's 14:55 50 seconds. I'm going to activate the beta 2 robot. Alright, so we actually have a call trade at 14:56 27 seconds. So 14:56. So we have a call trade. So now the balance reduced to 87. Always remember to turn off the robot. So alright, so we have a call trade. So let me put an upward arrow. Let me change this to a Japanese candlestick so you guys can actually see the actual price movement. So we actually execute a call trade at 14:56 26 seconds. We need another 4 minutes to wait for this trade to expire. So hopefully the price holds at this level. So I think it's going to be quite tricky because in this price structure, so hopefully Binbot Pro's decision to do an call trade over here it will help me reach my $100,000 goals. If not, I will continue to try again. Alright guys, so we're back. So fortunately this call trade at 14.56 actually worked out. Well, I'm really happy about this result. So I'm not gonna lie, it's been a very tough month during this December 2020. So I'm glad that finally I was able to hit my goal before the year end. But I know that many of you may be experiencing some situations like this, where if your balance hit some sort of a setback, the best thing to do is actually to be patient and follow your strategy. Even if the decent strategy, if you trade long enough, there will be a time where it's a little bit tough due to different market situations. As proven in my growth charts, you can see that the beta method V3 has been working pretty well since May 2020. So I actually traded from $500. So thankfully within about 7 months, I was able to catch a couple of good win streak that actually grew and compounded my winnings into a very huge balance. So sometimes throughout this journey we might face something like what I faced in early December. It does happen. The market is actually a very complex phenomenon for us to actually understand, so there's no 100% right answer to trading the market. So some people might trade a call, some people might trade a put, and there'll be times where both of these traders will earn money, and sometimes both don't even earn money due to different type of market movement. So that is the reality of trading the market. So if you guys are trading the market, regardless of what kind of methods that you guys are using, be it like Binbot Pro or even like manual trading, you guys please be patient and also learn more about your own trading methods, so and avoid its weakness as much as possible, and that way you can increase your chance to grow your trading account. All right, so ultimately I'm really happy about my trading results right here. I'm going to make a follow-up video on the withdrawals on Binbot Pro very soon. I'm going to withdraw and probably leave another $500 in this account, and I'll post more updates in this upcoming January 2021. Alright, but do remember to subscribe and also like this video. Also click the bell notification, as I will be posting more about the Telegram manual trading signal group. Alright, so it's about to be ready. And if you guys are interested to use Binbot Pro by using the same exact method and also settings for Binbot Pro, please remember to drop me an email at the email you see on your screen right now. You guys will be able to get access to my PDF guide, a Telegram group for bad days alerts, or even changes in settings on some trading days if it's necessary. And aside from the guide, you guys will also get a free Telegram group access for a manual trading signals, and also a free 1-month trial to my forex trading signals group. Alright, try to check out this video, as I will show you guys more manual trade execution using the Binbot Pro beta method v3. Alright, thanks guys.